Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Asad Yaqub here with the breaking news. Well guys, in the past, in order to get Canadian immigration, 8777 was the required band score, and many students, immigration seekers, they struggled hard to achieve 8777, but the problem was they could get 877 with 6 in one module, and then they tried second time, they got 7 in the module, they had achieved 6, and then again another 6, and they had to repeat their IELTS time and again, and many people repeated with no success. Hence they gave up the idea of getting Canadian immigration. But now the problem has been resolved. How? PTE has been approved by Canadian authorities as a test equivalent of IELTS. Right? Now, instead of IELTS, if you're looking for Canadian immigration, you can take PTE test, and that is what they call PTE Core, and PTE Core has got the recognition by Canadian officials, by Canadian authorities, and now PTE Core is equal to IELTS. Whether you do IELTS or you do PTE, both tests are same, but let me tell you, PTE, as I said in one of my videos before, PTE is 10 times easier than IELTS. PTE is less complex than IELTS, and PTE is less, what do you say? I mean, it's less brain eating than IELTS actually, right? So now if you are dreaming to go to Canada, if you have a desire to get Canadian immigration, and IELTS was the only hurdle, so I would say rise and shine once again, and this time it's not IELTS, it's PTE, because PTE is a test which is based on artificial intelligence. In IELTS, when your target band was 8777, mostly you were marked 6 or 6.5 in writing module, okay, and because of less band score in one module, you were not able to get your desired band, right? This is not the case in PTE, because PTE test is marked by artificial intelligence, and there are several quality tests. That is why now Canadian government, they have approved this test, and it's equal to IELTS now. So let's see what happens to IELTS at the moment. I'm also IELTS trainer. I need to find another job probably. But anyways, PTE is going to be a wonderful option. Not only immigration, PTE is acceptable for education. If you're planning to go to Canada, Australia, New Zealand, England, you can take PTE test, okay? So I'm going to start PTE classes very soon. I'm going to offer PTE videos on my YouTube channel, where you will be able to learn a lot about PTE. IELTS will continue, but now we've got this PTE, so I'm going to help you achieve your desired band in PTE, because the people that we belong to, Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Nepal, Sri Lanka and all that, the level of our English is rather weak. Sometimes IELTS becomes a stone, IELTS becomes something which is really, hard to manage, tough to do. So this PTE is going to help you with that. All the best guys, thank you so much. I also teach IELTS and PTE online and in campus. My PTE in campus classes are starting from April. If you want to be the part of my classes, my WhatsApp number is given, you can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub wholeheartedly wishes you best of luck. Take care. Allah Hafiz.